Oh, hi. It's me, Cynthia, the Yarnaholic. I think last time I talked to my Hiccup peeps, I think I was just I am she. I don't know. Okay, why am I here today? Well, I have been requested over and over and over again, thank you very much, to do Hiccup commercials. Not commercials, try to see if I can hiccup. And I'm gonna try it, okay? Hi, weehoo. I'm on a diet now. Last time you saw me, I think was 2020, 2021. I don't know. I was younger. I was a little bit chunky. And I didn't care what I was eating and drinking. But now I am on a diet. So I don't know. I guess my options are the same, except I'm not going to be drinking, putting sugar in my seltzer water. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get the hiccups. And welcome back to all of you who have tuned back in to see if I can make this happen. Oh, I got a new dog. There's Douglas. I don't know if you remember my old dog Dublin, but he passed away. I still have Ruger. He's 13. Yep. That's what they're doing right now. Okay, yeah, as usual, it's gonna be terribly edited, and I do apologize for that, but I don't feel like doing it any better. So, all right, here we go. It smells good. It's raspberry mango. It's very cold. I got one. Let's see if I can keep it going. That was one hiccup. I'm a one hiccup wonder. This stuff is terrible. I keep expecting sugar. It's so cold. Well, it's polar. It's polar. Family made since 1882. How have I never heard of it? Blackberry mango seltzer with other natural flavors for depth and complexity. Oh, she fancy. I'm not fancy. Carbonated water and natural flavors. Okay, there's nothing in it. Definitely not any sugar. Okay. Maybe if I use a straw? Okay, maybe I can drink it faster with a straw. I just came from an orthodontist, so I'm gonna get braces, so brace yourself for that. Yeah, this is not a comedy channel. I'm not a comedian. I am just a lady who likes to crochet and hiccup. Okay, I am very thirsty though, but this is too cold for my sensitive teeth and my brain freeze. Okay, ready to go. It's not working, guys. We got one hiccup. That's it. It's almost done. I'm not digging the straw either. There is one more thing I can try. Now my nose is running. Gone. I did the whole thing. Well, it's 3:42 and it's time for my dinner. I had avocado toast. I make the best avocado toast in all of America. I had that for breakfast before I went to the gym. And I think I'm gonna have a boiled egg and a banana, probably for my dinner. I'm not trying to live forever, I'm just trying to get skinny. Is this what you wanted? Is this what you wanted, guys? Oh man. Normally, when I have a boiled egg, it's a hot boiled egg, like right out of the pot. But this has been in the fridge. I can usually get the hiccups from boiled eggs, hard boiled eggs, which is what this is. But I can't remember if they're usually hot or cold. So I only have the cold option right now. If I don't get it from this, then tomorrow I will try, cause I put the eggs, I boiled them soft. So they're hard on the outside and they're soft in the middle. What do you call that? Is that soft boiled eggs? I can't wait to get my teeth fixed. I mean, I don't really care, but it would be nice to have a nice smile again. I used to have a nice smile and then my molars grew in. I still have all 4 of them. There we go. All right, it's peeled. I gotta rinse it off. I don't want shell. I'm not eating shell for you guys. Okay, now I can show you what I mean. I need enough salt. I can have salt in my diet. All right. That's what I mean, soft. Nothing. Nothing. I can fake the hiccups. Do you want me to fake the hiccups? Doesn't that defeat the whole purpose though? I don't want to be fake. I don't want to be a liar. I don't know. I can come on here and tell you it's a fake hiccup video and like read a story while fake hiccuping or something. I don't know. What do you want me to do? I don't know what to do. I just keep getting these requested videos, but I don't know what to do. So I tried it again. I don't want a hiccup. I tried a soft boiled egg and no hiccup. And that is about it. I'm gonna eat a banana. Bananas don't give me the hiccups. And I quit drinking soda, so I can't like go anywhere and drink a soda. And I don't drink alcohol because I'm a recovering alcoholic. I'm 17 years sober, so I'm not drinking alcohol. Really nothing for me to do except just keep trying foods. I don't know when I don't get the hiccups a lot anymore. I randomly get them. I never know when. It could be drinking my coffee in the morning. It could be eating popcorn at night. There's no rhyme or reason. That's why I can't just get them, because there's no rhyme or reason. I don't have anything that really triggers it, except for carbonation. So we tried that. I don't know. I made the effort because you guys have been politely asking me to try. I can make try videos and I can make fake hiccup videos, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys and tell you I have them if I don't. So, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, I'll come up with something. If you guys just want to watch videos of me drinking and eating stuff, like, I guess I would do it to see if I could get the hiccups, but that kind of seems boring to me. It might be entertaining for you guys. I don't know. You wouldn't know. I guess it would be like a drama for you guys, a thriller to see. I don't know. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna clean up my mess. I have eggshells and salt and water all over the place. I sure did make a mess. All right, well, if you're still here, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful everything, and perhaps I will see you on another day. Also, leave a comment down below, please, telling me what, like, if you want fake hiccups, if you just want me to try, like, okay, someone in the comments asked me to do the videos, and I was like, these videos are like ghost hunting. It's a whole lot of looking or trying, and not a whole lot of, like, ghost hunting videos are just people walking through buildings hoping to capture a ghost. But we watch those videos over and over and over again. So I think hiccup videos are like ghost hunting videos. Like, you're watching to see if I'm gonna get the hiccups or not. And it's always an adventure. I don't know. I don't know why you guys watch these videos. So I need to get a better understanding, I guess, so I can create something for you guys. And I don't mean guys as in men, all men. I mean guys as in plural humans. And maybe sometime dogs could watch too. All right, well, I'm gonna go now. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful everything, and perhaps I will see you on another day. Bye.